Do you have a bunch of these old boxes sitting around your house? I mean, I got lots of tech product boxes, and they're actually nice, high-quality boxes, but they have stuff like Apple logos all over them. I kind of want to use them as gift boxes, and to do that, I'm going to paint them. I'm going to paint over them. So here's a couple that I've already painted. I painted this one red and white, and this one is all blue. And this one, I'm going to paint white over the top of the images you see here, and then I'm going to turn them into gift boxes. Let's do it together. I've got this stencil, which is going to make a bright red bow on a box, so I don't have to actually put a bow in the box. I can just paint a bow on the box. It's got a bright red layer or a light red layer and a dark red layer to make it look 3D. I'm not going to do that one right away. I'm going to do a different one. For this smaller box, I'm going to paint a bright pink bumblebee. So now I can take this and put make it a nice present in the box with my bumblebee on top. It would make more sense if that gift were honey, wouldn't it? Now we'll do red box, white heart. This is actually stencil adhesive spray, and I get this from Turkey. I bet you can use quilt basting spray if you can find it on Amazon. So in 10 minutes, we went from, used electronics boxes to kind of nice homemade, handmade gift boxes that take about 20 minutes.
Gifts in pretty box always better than without box. Isn't it?
Yeah.